Hi guys, this is the last video of PSM vaccine. Let's start. What are vaccine given and what age the vaccine given? Okay, that you have to remember first. Let's revise first. That what age we will revise very fast. At 0 birth, the vaccine given 1 month, more than 1 month, more than 2 months, more than 3 months, 1 year, 2 year, 5 year, 10 years, 16 years. Okay. Then how the vaccine is given? 2-2-2 formula. 2 vaccine given subcutaneously, 2 vaccine are given intradermally, 2 vaccine are given orally. What are they? There's a OPV vaccine and rotavirus vaccine. OPV vaccine is given. OPV vaccine is given. OPV vaccine is given. OPV vaccine given 2 drop, and the rotavirus vaccine is given 3 drop. Okay, that you have to remember. Then 2 vaccine intradermally, this one. 2 vaccines are subcutaneous. What are they? We'll revise that also. 2-2-2. That formula we'll finish first and then we'll go ahead. Okay, 2-2 like what? Intradermally BCG left side is 0.1 ml. This one. Let me clear for you. Okay. This one. Intradermally BCG 0.1 ml. Then there is a left side, it is given. Left side means live. We'll do that later on. Intradermally is FIPV 0.5 ml. Right sided. This is right sided. This is left sided. So what are given left side and right side is most important. First, you remember 2 vaccines are intradermally given. FIPV 0.5 ml, 0.1 ml right sided, and left side is given 0.1 ml BCG intradermal. Okay, the second vaccine which is left sided, it is okay, we're talking about subcutaneous now. Japan encephalitis 0.5 ml given subcutaneously at left side, and the MR measles and rubella is given 0.5 ml right sided. Okay, we finished the 2 intradermal, 2 subcutaneous. Now the 2 orally vaccine, OPV given 2 drops and RVV given 3 drops. What are the age? I have cleared that already. Okay, what site given? 2-2-2 formula finish. Okay, the other vaccines are given like penta in pent. Okay, means in gins given intramuscularly, that is penta and PCV. Okay, and that is given intramuscularly 0.5 ml interlateral side of a mid thigh. And other DPT and TD, that vaccine is given at upper arm. Okay, and I'll make this clear also. Powder form vaccine. What are the powder form vaccine? You can see here powder form vaccine. Okay, the powder form vaccine you can see here. This is powder form vaccine. This one is powder form vaccine. This one is powder form vaccine. So powder form vaccines are mostly live vaccine. They are given within 4 hours. Okay, and the other vaccine which is given in 28 days, that comes in the open vial policy. Once you open, you have to finish within 28 days. The other vaccine which are live, you have to finish within 4 hours only. You have to discard the vaccine after the 4 hours. And the 28 days, well, these are here. And mostly I told you like left sided vaccines are, but right sided is also measles is also there. That is comes in the powder form also. You have to dilute and give the vaccine. Like Japan encephalitis, rotavirus is given orally. BCG is intradermal, that is also powder form. OPV is orally given. Measles is given that is a right sided subcutaneously given. Okay, that you have to remember like this here. Subcutaneous MR is given 0.5 ml, intradermal FIPV. Okay, let's clear the age first, then clear the 2 vaccines subcutaneously given, 2 vaccine intradermal given, 2 vaccine orally given. Then we finish the upper arm DPT and TD, and then anterolateral side of a mid thigh given. What are the pentavalent and PCV? Okay, let's clear that. We have already cleared the half of way. We have cleared everything. Okay, how it is kept in the fridge ILR, okay, that you have to remember from this. So I'll keep this PDF file also in my description. Okay, and please like, subscribe.